Good morning, students. Welcome in SST class of 6th standard. Yesterday we discussed the water bodies of North America. I hope you have revised it. Let me take your feedback through cross questions. Name some important rivers of the Western Cordillera. Name two important rivers of prairies. Name two man-made canals of North America. Name the busiest inland waterways of North America. Name the deepest and the longest river of Canada. Today's objectives are deserts, gorge, canyon, geyser. Now let us do terms. Desert, dry and sandy area. Gorge, a narrow valley with steep side and river running through it. Canyon, a deep narrow valley with steep sides. Geyser, a place where naturally hot water comes out of the ground. The Pacific Ring of Fire, an area in the Pacific Ocean where many earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur. Let us start our reading. Our first topic is deserts. The Great Basin and the Death Valley deserts are the two major deserts in the Western Cordillera of North America. These are located in the USA. The Canadian Shield is called the cold desert as it always remains under a thick cover of ice. This is the Great Basin Desert of Colorado Plateau. Great Basin region in the western United States that has no drainage in the ocean. It is a temperate desert with hot dry summers and snowy winters. The Canadian Shield is a cold desert which has no summers but extremely cold winters. Let's read further. Some of the plateaus in North America have been cut deep down by the rivers. These are known as gorge. Grand Canyon is a very deep gorge cut down by the Colorado River in Colorado Plateau. Its depth is about 1800 meters. Let us know about the canyons. A long, deep, narrow valley with steep cliff walls. It cut into the earth by running water. It often having a stream at the bottom. Grand Canyon is one of the world's natural wonders. Grand Canyon is 70 million years old. Let's read further. The Western Cordillera of North America is famous for its active and extinct volcanoes. Active volcanoes are the volcanoes which erupt again and again. Extinct volcanoes are not expected to erupt in future. That's known as dead volcanoes. Let's continue reading. Most of these are in Alaska and Mexico, which are a part of the Pacific Ring of Fire that surrounds the Pacific Ocean. Due to these volcanoes, the underground water of areas surrounding them boil and rush out on the surface of the earth in the form of a hot spring. Such hot springs are called geysers. A very famous Old Faithful geyser of Yellowstone National Park in Northwest Wyoming, with small parts in Montana in the USA, attracts a large number of tourists. The Ring of Fire is a major area in the basin of Pacific Ocean where many earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur. In North America, Alaska and Mexico are located in the Pacific Ring of Fire. The Ring of Fire is the home to 75% of world's volcanoes and 90% of its earthquakes. Geysers are hot water springs from where hot water mixes with sulfur comes to the surface of the earth. Yellowstone Park in America is one of the famous geysers. With this, we are completing our topic. Your homework to revise the chapter and learn terms. Do these questions on your fair copy. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Stay safe.